Good morning. I wish also to pass my condolences to the family of Matiba. I knew him when I was a Form 6 student at Strathmore, at Gill House, and I feel I should tell the family to stand still and firm. However, on the question, what is going on in the Electoral Commission is just not good at all. And this is not the first time we have had problems with the Commission. I wish to state that I left the Electoral Commission in October 2007, not in December 2007. I keep stressing that. And the matter is already before the Court of Law, and the Commission itself is meeting today. Sometimes people do abuse or quarrel judges for making expert rulings, and the judges don't go to look for the work before to bring to them. People go there because they cannot agree, and I feel very unhappy when I see government officials and other people abusing judges because of the decisions they make. However, on the issue of the Commission at the moment, it is sad and it is bad. You see from the reports we get, I haven't seen the evidence, and the lawyers go by the evidence, but from what I have read in the papers and comes up in the media, the matter has gone to the court. It should not have reached that stage at all. The commissioners work as a body, and they have the execution part of it, people who carry out their decisions. Now, the commissioners cannot be seen to be walking out of a meeting. No. Now, if they walk out of the meeting and then others decide, we end up in chaos, and that is not good for the country. And that has not been good for the country for the last number of years. Now, what the commission should do, and the commission is led by the chairman. We have the executive officer. Executive officer is an officer of the commission, but the head is the chairman of the commission. Matters should be discussed at length, even if it takes the whole day. And after it has been discussed, the decision that has been reached by the majority is the one to be carried out. They cannot be seen to be walking out and matters going to the court to this level, because they then lose their credibility, if that is what we are seeing now is the one going on. So my take is that if they are meeting today, they should reach a unanimous decision, and then the case before the court should be withdrawn. Otherwise, if we go on the lines they are going on, then they will lose the credibility, and nobody is going to believe in what they are doing.
Sir, of course, you have mentioned that the body should stand as one, which begs the question that many have been asking. Are these infights internal, or basically just external issues being brought in-house?
It is both, in my view. There are people interested in what the commission is doing. The commissioners themselves have got to handle various issues, and they differ. And in any institution, people differ. Even in your family, you differ. Everywhere, people differ. But you sit down and agree. Even if you take the cabinet of the government, we have the president who is head, but ministers and people assisting him differ. But the important thing is that they sit down and decide for the interest, in the interest of the commission and the interest of the country. Kivuito and myself used to differ. Even in writing, I have some correspondence, which is, if I showed you, you would be surprised. But we never let it go out. No, we never let it affect our work. People differ, and what the majority decide is what you go by. So it is both internal and external.
Thanks there, Gabriel Mukele, who is coming live from our Kakamega studio. He is the former commissioner of ECK. We want to take a short break here on News Center. Of course, when we come back, we will also be talking to Omingo Magara, who is the party leader of PDP and chair of CMD, on the same issue of IEBC. Don't go too far.